This is David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio, and this video is about how we shorten a stained glass transom. Okay, so on this video, now first of all, I took the transom window that needs to be shortened and I measured it, and then when I found out how long it should be, I divided the amount that it needed to be cut by 2, so I could just cut it off on one end. And then I scored the end with my T-square and had to, drag it over each individual piece so that I got a straight score all the way across. Okay, and then when I turn it around here, I'm able to apply pressure to it just like you would on a regular piece, except you got to be kind of gentle and careful because the whole several pieces are being cut. And so I go ahead and I push down. Now I get it down a ways, and then I need to pull back up on it, and I do that several times so that I can weaken the lead. That helps to break it. And then of course I use some pliers to clean it out. I got to pull out the little bits of glass, and I've got a hot soldering iron there so that I can melt off some of the old lead. Now after I do this, then I have to really make sure that I take a rag and clean it up and dry it off good so that when I go to put foil on, the foil will stick. Now I'm using 3/8 inch foil here. It's a little bit wider, and I actually put it on down on the side, bend it over halfway over the edge, and then when I turn it over I add some more to the other side so that I've got a really good lead line on the outside edge, because nobody's going to see it once the wood is put in place, and I want it to be somewhat sturdy. Then I use a fid to burnish it down, and I flux the foil, and then I tin the entire edge, and I join up the old lines. You can see that I'm doing that so that they add their strength to the edge. And then I do that on all the edges, and Jeannie cleans and adds copper patina, and there you have it. That's the process that we go through to shorten a transom.